Hello dear student of Sacred International School Khilcha. In the last video we discussed about the latitudes for the 6th standard. Today we will discuss a new topic from a same chapter. The topic is a longitude. Firstly open your textbook page number 12. Okay, are you ready? So let's start. Okay, what are the longitudes? Firstly look this picture. These lines are showing the longitudes. Semicircles joining the North Pole to South Pole. These are called lines of longitude or meridians. Parallels of latitude and all meridians are of equal length. Okay, look in this picture. Here we will talk about the prime meridian. This is a prime meridian. The meridian passing through Greenwich, where the British Royal Observatory is located. This meridian is called a prime meridian. Its value is a 0 longitude, and from it we count 180 eastward as well as 180 westward. The prime meridian and 180 meridian divide the earth into equal two parts, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Next we will talk about the grade. What is a grade? The latitudes and longitudes intersect each other at right angles and form a network. This network is called grade. Okay, do you understand? Next we will talk about longitude and time. The best means of measuring time by the movement of the earth, the moon and the planet. The sun regularly rises and sets every day and naturally. It is the best timekeeper throughout the world. Okay, when the prime meridian of Greenwich has the sun at the highest point in the sky, all the places along time meridian will have midday or noon. As the earth rotates from west to east, those places east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time and those the west will be behind. The rate of difference can be calculated as the earth rotates 360 degrees in about 24 hours, which means 15 degrees an hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. When it is at 12 noon at a Greenwich, the time at 15 degree east of Greenwich will be 15 multiplied 4 is 60 minutes. 1 hour ahead of Greenwich time, which means 1 p.m. Okay, do you understand? This is a way of calculation of the time. Next we will talk about the standard time. Okay, look this picture. This is the map of India and this is the standard meridian. The local time of places which are on the different meridians are bound to differ, as necessary to adopt the local time of some central meridian of the country as the standard time for the country. In India, the longitude of 82.5 degree east is treated as the standard meridian. The local time at this meridian is taken as the standard time for the whole country. It is known as the Indian Standard Time. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this chapter and you learned so many things. After watching the video, kindly make the notes. Thank you.